The deadliest cat you've never heard of. Meet Africa's black-footed cat. They call her the anthill tiger. She's small enough to fit in your arms, but fierce enough to take down over a dozen prey in a single night. She doesn't purr for your approval, and she definitely doesn't need your affection. This is Africa's black-footed cat, the deadliest feline in the world. Welcome back to Perfectly Posh, where cats aren't just companions, they're stories, spirits, and secrets in fur. Today, we're stepping into the night to meet one of Africa's most mysterious wild cats. She's elusive, solitary, and almost never seen. Endemic to southern Africa, the black-footed cat, Felis negripes, is found in the arid regions of Botswana, Namibia, and southern Africa, preferring open shrublands and savannas over forests or dense bush. But don't be fooled by her size. Weighing barely 2 kilograms and standing just 20 centimeters tall, she's still the most efficient feline hunter alive. Statistically deadlier than lions, leopards, or cheetahs. Yes, you heard that right. She gets her name from the jet black pads on the bottom of her feet, thick and dust adapted for silent stalking across the desert floor. And when she hunts, she doesn't play games. This tiny queen has a 60% success rate when hunting. She can catch up to 13 prey animals in one night, from rodents and birds to insects and even small hares. That's the equivalent of you catching and cooking 13 different meals every single night. She has 3 deadly hunting techniques. Fast hunt, darting through tall grass to flush prey. Stalk hunt, silently creeping within striking range. Sit and wait, sometimes sitting for up to 40 minutes near a burrow, completely still and completely focused. She can leap 1.5 meters straight into the air to snatch birds mid-flight. And unlike many domestic cats who hunt for fun, she eats almost every kill. In fact, she needs to. Her metabolism demands up to 20% of her body weight in food every night. When it comes to motherhood, the black-footed cat is fiercely protective. She gives birth in hidden burrows, often termite mounds, raising 1 or 2 kittens per litter. Kittens are born blind, fragile, and weighing just 60 to 90 grams. But by 2 months, they're weaned. By 4 months, they're hunting solo. And while males roam large overlapping territories, the females are deeply territorial, marking their ground with up to 100 scent markings per night. But here's the thing. The black-footed cat is now listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. There are fewer than 10,000 mature individuals left in the wild. Habit loss, rodent poisoning, and disease have made this already rare cat even harder to protect. In captivity, they face a high risk of genetic disease, amyloidosis, a condition that affects their organs and has a mortality rate of over 70% in some populations. Thankfully, passionate scientists and conservationists are tracking, studying, and protecting these tiny titans using collar trackers and night cameras to learn how they survive in some of Africa's harshest landscapes. The black-footed cat is living proof that power isn't always loud, that size doesn't define spirit, and that the wild still holds mysteries far beyond our expectations. She's fast, focused, and fiercely untamable. A whisper in the grass, a shadow in the dark, and now you know her name. If you love discovering the black-footed cat, share this with someone who thinks cats are just cute. And don't forget to subscribe to Perfectly Posh, where the whiskers are wild and the elegance is untamed. Until next time, stay curious.